Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of the ladies who participated in the Packaging Ideas YouTube Hop hosted by Sandra and myself. I think everyone did an amazing job. So I do hope that you got the chance to watch all of our videos. And of course, this video I'm going to be announcing the winner to my channel. So if you haven't watched any of the other ladies who are having a giveaway, please check out their videos to see if you are one of the lucky winners. Thank you all of you who commented on all of our videos. We truly do appreciate your comments, and I honestly love reading all of your guys' comments, not just on this video but on all of my videos. I really do appreciate and see what you have to say about my projects, whether it's good or bad, it doesn't matter. All right, so now let me share with you who was the lucky winner. All right, winner, if you can please email me your information. I think I'm going to need your name, your last name, and your email address so I can email you back your gift certificate to scrapbook.com. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing day, everyone. Bye.